the Concert Help channel. Today's video will cover where to find the Concert OpenAPI documentation. To do so, head on over to Support, select API documentation. This will take you to an external window where you will be able to download the spec file. Below that, you will see an introduction to using API, and beneath that, you will find the documentation for specific API calls. For example, retrieving a single cloud by using its cloud ID. All the information you will need is on screen. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit our help site, which features these videos and articles that cover these topics in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.